Welcome back to Klipspringer's video guide series introducing your online web portal. Now that you have accessed your account, this video will take you through the basic steps of adding products to your basket, saving your favorite products, and creating a quotation online. On screen, you can see your main dashboard. This is the central hub of your account. There are two main ways to search for a product online. The most popular method is using the search at the top of the site, which will display product options as soon as you start typing. Alternatively, use the categories at the top of the page like this, and click on the sections you wish to view. The filters at the side of the page also help to guide you to the right product, especially when you're looking for particular colours or sizes. Once you have found the product you need, select the desired options and then choose the quantity you require. Many of Klipspringer's products also have the option to purchase in case quantities, giving you a discounted price for each item. You'll notice that there's also a button with a heart saying Add to Favourites. This is a great option for products you need to purchase regularly. Simply click this icon on any product page and the item will automatically be added to your favourites list. You can navigate to your favourites list by clicking My Account in the top right, followed by clicking the My Favourites button. This will display all of the items you have saved as favourites, allowing you to add them to your basket quickly and easily. Once you have added all desired products to your basket, click the basket icon in the top right. You can edit quantities and update your cart on this page until you are happy with your order. When you are ready to proceed, click Checkout. Please note, you'll need to be logged in order to complete the checkout process. If you need help with this, refer to our first help guide video or just contact our team. You will then be able to confirm your delivery address, contact details, order reference and any order notes for our team to be aware of. On the next page, you can select a payment method. If you have a credit account with Klipspringer, you will see the option to Order on Credit. This option allows you to place an order without payment and we will just invoice you when your account becomes due. If you haven't yet got a credit account set up and you'd like one, just contact our team and we'll be happy to review this with you. Alternatively, if you're not ready to proceed just yet, you can save your basket as a quotation by selecting the Save as Quote option, where your items and pricing will be outputted as a quotation accessible in the quotations area on your account. As always, if you require assistance at any time, don't hesitate to reach out to the Klipspringer team. Look out for the next help guide video on accessing your equipment certificates for audit compliance via the online audit portal.